EDP Spinco is a custom crane company located in Morgantown, PA, right down the road from Twin Valley Middle School.
Not only do we manufacture, we have welding, fabricating, we also have accounting. We have our marketing department, we have our sales team here as well.
Raw material can come in one end of the building and leave the other end of the building as a crane.
What makes it fun is you get to come into work and you get to make something from a piece of paper and actually make a 3D product.
There are a variety of educations here at Spinco. There are people who have gone to Vodec, people who do on-job training, and people who have been to some form of college.
I get to meet every single person in the company, talk to them about career pathings, how they can make more money for themselves, how they can advance their skill set.
One of our core values of the company is the continuous growth and quality of our product, processes, and employee atmosphere. We plan on growing as much as we strategically can and capturing areas of the country or other areas of the world.
I enjoy my work very much.
There's something new and exciting to learn here.
You look at new parts, you meet new people.
The teamwork environment and just the camaraderie.
It's like a family. You build relationships with people and spend many hours with the employees and coworkers.
EDP Spinco is a spectacular custom crane company. Spinco shows what really is cool about manufacturing.
What's so cool about manufacturing?